Hi, I'm here to show you how to use the project notebook that is in this module. You should recognize this page. It comes from the module, and you have two buttons here, and I wanted to explain the difference. This button is where you click to make your own copy of the project notebook. The project notebook is right here. And if you click it, it will ask you to make your own copy. And voila, here you'll have your own copy, and you can change it to whatever name you want it to be. I'm going to change it to Jana's project notebook. I want to just show you that if you don't make your own copy, every time that you get referred back to a place to add your assignment, you'll be stuck in view only mode. And the view only mode is so that no one else goes in and changes the template by mistake. But it's also to be able to help you find whatever you need to find that's in here. And we link all of our assignments to whatever page it goes to. So step one is you have your own project notebook. So after you've made a copy, you might want to make a separate copy of the checklist. And if you open this and click on this button, it will bring you to making a copy of your own checklist. So I'm going to change this so it says Donna's checklist because this will be mine. This page is also in the project notebook, but I'm putting it here and showing you this because you might want to look at it in a separate document so that you can refer back to it as you finish. You notice that there are a few assignments in the introduction. There are some in the language learning, and you'll notice that some of these might change as we revise the unit. Just don't be worried if you see something slightly different than this document is in this video. So when you're in the project notebook, and this is your own copy, you'll notice that there are lots of pages right at the beginning with tabs and stickers and all kinds of fun stuff. You can use these to move around and copy them. And add them wherever you would like in. I'm going to just delete that. So you could copy this, and then you could add it to wherever else you want. I could add it to right here. I've added that. Awesome. So you can play around with those. Those are just fun things that we thought it would be nice to add to this. You can have little sticky tabs to help you remember where you are in the module. You start out with your table of contents with the instructions, the planning checklist that I already showed you. There's also a copy here. Then these are each of the module sections: the language learning, the goal setting and business, study abroad, and the working abroad. Here on tab 7, you will find a list of resources that will be added on the following page. And you can, of course, add your own resources as well. Tab 8 is for your final reflection. 9 is a calendar. We've just added a calendar that you can refer to. This will click right online to go to a calendar for 2022. If you're at a different year, you just click at the year that you want to go to, and it will take you right there. Just to have as a reference, you can always put your own in if you like. And section 10 is for you to put any of your personal information. Now, just remember that if you do save personal information on a document like this, make sure that it's secure and that it's on a password protected computer, and that you don't share those passwords or anything that you wouldn't want anyone else to see. So just make sure that that is secure if you are going to add any pictures or numbers that are important. So when you're in the module, it might say, go to page, click here to do a reflection. So for instance, it might take you here. All of our assignments are linked. What we've tried to do is also have any of the links that you would have to watch, like this is a watching this video, and then you define culture right here in this spot. You can always insert a new page, so you could do slide and you could have a new slide. So you can add whatever kind of slide that you would like. I'm going to take this one out because I didn't want that type of slide. This is a brainstorming on a Jamboard, and I put the screenshot of the Jamboard, and you'll be able to either add your own Jamboard down here or erase this Jamboard and put your own. We hope that you find this module helpful and that this journal will be able to be something that you can use in the future as you plan for travel, study abroad, working abroad, or whatever goals that you may have.